Today is a special day because your angel has a powerful message for you. There is someone in your life who is pretending to be happy, but deep down, this person knows you are the right one for them. This man is desperate, feeling the weight of regret for not treating you as you deserve. You know what I'm talking about, right? Get ready because this is not just any message. You're going to resolve things with him, or he will take the initiative to change everything between you two. Impactful confessions are on the way, and nothing will be left open. That feeling of being ignored will end. Stay with me and make sure to subscribe to the channel because what comes next will transform your life. This person can't wait any longer, and it only shows how troubled he is by the way he treated you. He is trapped in the realization that he wasn't kind, and it's eating him up inside. He understands that he needs to work hard to make things right. You are the center of his thoughts, day and night. When he compares you to others, he realizes how unique and special you are. You are incredibly kind, genuine, trustworthy, and strong. You always stand firm, minding your own business without creating drama. You don't make scenes, aren't temperamental, nor abusive. He greatly appreciates this about you. On social media, he might be posting photos and messages that make him seem happy, but it's just a front. It's all about pride and ego, trying to show the world an amazing life without problems. But in reality, he doesn't like to show vulnerability. That vulnerability bothers him, makes him feel overwhelmed, with that feeling of, oh no, I can't be vulnerable. However, the tables have turned. You proved him wrong. At first, he thought you weren't the right person, that maybe things were too much for you. But you showed incredible strength and resilience, far beyond what he imagined. He's finally starting to see your worth and realize how essential you are in his life. This is a significant change because he used to avoid the idea of wanting you, but now, it seems that's changing. By posting happy photos and messages on social media, he might be trying to provoke a reaction from you, hoping you'll take the initiative and reach out. But you're smart and know that these posts are just an attempt to get your attention. It's crucial to understand that it's healthier for the relationship if he takes the initiative. Always being the first to reach out puts you in a disadvantaged position. He also needs to make an effort, show that he values your presence, and is willing to prove it through actions. Don't be fooled by these happy appearances on social media, as they might just be a facade. Remember, you deserve someone who truly values you and makes an effort for the relationship, not someone who expects you to chase them all the time without offering anything in return. To have you in his life, he needs to make a genuine effort. He must prove, through actions and behavior, that he's willing to do whatever it takes to maintain a healthy and balanced relationship. And that starts with him taking the initiative, showing interest, and investing in the relationship. You are strong and deserve someone who truly values you, someone willing to make an effort and show that you are important in their life. Stand firm and don't give in to provocations. He needs to understand that to have a chance with you, he must make an effort and demonstrate that he's willing to fight for what he wants. You deserve to be treated with respect and appreciation and should not accept anything less than that. So don't chase after someone when you're not getting enough in return. Let him show through his actions that he's truly interested and willing to do what it takes to earn and keep your trust and affection. What really matters, regardless of how much he's posting on social media, is maintaining your position. Let him make the effort for you. This will build solid trust between you. Let him come to you without you always having to chase after him. Remember, you are unique and special, and he sees you that way, as someone singular and irreplaceable. Now more than ever, it's time to believe in your worth and importance. You are an exceptional person who deserves to be loved and respected. Stay strong and confident. God is by your side, guiding your every step. The universe, under divine guidance, is conspiring in your favor, bringing you what is just and deserved. This special person is approaching, with a heart full of regret and a genuine desire to make things work. So, stand firm in your decision. He needs to know that to be with you, it takes more than words or happy posts. He needs to act, demonstrate how important you are to him, and how much he's willing to do to keep you close. And when he realizes this, when he starts acting according to his feelings, you'll know it's true, that he really values you and is willing to do whatever it takes to build a solid and happy relationship with you. Always remember, you are unique, special, and deserve all the love and respect in the world. Keep believing in your worth and don't accept anything less than that. True love requires effort and commitment from both sides, and you deserve someone willing to offer that to you. He may seem distant now, but that doesn't mean he isn't thinking about you. In fact, this distance bothers him a lot. He thinks about you all the time, daydreaming about the moments he wants to share and the conversations he wants to have. He wants to be close to you and has very positive and affectionate feelings for you. His affection is genuine and deep. He really cares about what you think and feel. Know that he's looking for a way to get closer. He's gathering the courage necessary to take that important step and talk to you. Be patient and keep the faith because his feelings for you are strong and true. He will talk to you, he's just waiting for the right moment, the moment when he feels secure enough to express everything he feels. He's dealing with this mix of emotions while also trying to find the best way to approach you. Every step he takes is thoughtful and full of meaning because he wants everything to be perfect. His feelings for you are so intense that sometimes they leave him confused and hesitant. But know that deep down, he's looking for a way to make everything work. He spends days and nights thinking about how to reach you, how to make every meeting, every word spoken, special and unforgettable. He knows this emotional journey is delicate, and that's why he wants to make sure he's doing things the best way possible. He wants you to know that you are always on his mind, and that each day apart is another day of preparation for the moment he will finally declare himself to you. The desire to be by your side is so great that he's sparing no effort to ensure that when that moment arrives, it will be everything you deserve. Understand that he isn't distant because of a lack of interest, but because he's preparing, because he wants everything to be perfect. He deeply cares about you, and that makes him want to ensure he's making the right decisions. The affection and admiration he feels for you are enormous, and he wants every moment with you to be memorable. So, keep the hope and believe in the love he has for you. This love is true, intense, and growing every day. He is determined to make everything work out, and when the moment comes, you'll see that every step, every hesitation, every minute of waiting was worth it. Because he's preparing to show you how special and important you are to him, and to make all the dreams he's had with you come true. He cares deeply about you and wants to ensure that when you're finally together, everything will be perfect. He's willing to do whatever it takes to make this moment unforgettable. He thinks about every detail, every word, every gesture because you mean so much to him. And that's why he wants you to know that even from a distance, he's always with you in his thoughts, preparing for the moment when he can show you all the love he feels. This love is true and growing every day. He is determined to make everything work out, and when the moment comes, you'll see that every step, every hesitation, every minute of waiting was worth it. Because he's preparing to show you how special and important you are to him, and to make all the dreams he's had with you come true. If you decide to ignore his messages or cut off contact, it could be a mistake. This man might interpret it as a lack of interest on your part, which could make him distance himself even more. The ideal approach is to find a balance, offering him as much as he offers you. Maintaining this balance is crucial. Don't overdo it, but don't ignore him either. It's like waiting for someone without putting your life on hold. It's not fair to yourself to remain stagnant, nor is it wise to completely close the door if you still want this person in your life. If you want to end things, then close the door firmly. The balance here is keeping the door open without letting it affect you constantly, without hurting or frustrating you. This man sees you as intelligent, sensitive, and powerful. That's special. He recognizes your worth. He just needs more time before he's fully present, but that doesn't mean you should just stand by waiting. Having patience means continuing with your life normally. If you're cooking something, you don't stare at the oven the whole time, right? You set the timer and go do other things. When the timer goes off, you know it's almost ready. This person wants to be with you and truly believes that you're the right person. You will end up with him if that's what you want too. He knows you are special. Understanding that communication is a two-way street is crucial. Ignoring someone can come across as disinterest, and that might push them further away. So finding a balance, giving him as much as he gives you, is essential. Not too much, not too little. The key is in the middle ground. Imagine a seesaw. Too much force throws it off balance. Too little doesn't move it. The same applies to relationships. Overdoing it is bad, but doing nothing is also not good. It's a delicate balance, like waiting for someone without pausing your life. Don't close the door on this man unless you truly no longer want him in your life. Otherwise, keep the door open, but don't let it negatively affect you. Leaving the door open means being available, but not obsessed. Don't let it hurt or frustrate you. The key is to continue living your life normally without waiting every second for a message or action from him. This shows that you are balanced, secure, and confident. This person sees incredible qualities in you: intelligence, sensitivity, power. He values you and knows how special you are. Sometimes, he might need more time, but that doesn't mean you should wait passively. Having patience is continuing with your life, doing what you love, getting involved in other activities, knowing that when the right time comes, everything will fall into place. Patience is like cooking something in the oven. You don't stand in front of the oven watching. You set an alarm and go do other things. When the alarm goes off, you know it's ready. Similarly, keep living your life, confident that when the right moment comes, you'll be ready. This person wants to share life with you and sees a future by your side. He truly believes you're the one for him. And you might end up with this man, as long as that's what you want. He knows how special you are and wants to be with you. So find the balance, be patient, and stay confident. Keep living your life to the fullest, knowing that when the right time comes, everything will fall perfectly into place. Maintaining this perspective is vital. It's not about waiting passively, but living fully while the door is open. Show him that you are strong, balanced, and capable of continuing with your life without letting the wait consume you. This will not only make him admire you even more, but it will also ensure that you remain happy and fulfilled, regardless of how long it takes for him to come to you. True patience and balance come from within. It's about knowing that you are enough on your own and that the other person is a complement to your happiness, not the source of it. So continue being this incredible, sensitive, and powerful person that he already sees in you. Live your life to the fullest, and trust that, in the right time, everything will work out for the best. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your decision is. Type, "I receive and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me" to claim this message and the blessings contained within it for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.